What's up, guys? This is Kyle from Wax Museum, and as you can see here, it's time for another card show. This time it's the Tampa Card Show at the Holiday Inn at the West Shore Boulevard. This is one that I go to often, so as usual, I'm looking for Pacer stuff. I'm gonna go inside, see what I can find. I'll show you guys the sights and sounds, so I hope you enjoy.
Actually, my Ben was maxed out. I can pay by you. It's probably going to be the easiest, fastest way. It won't scan. I don't know why my always crashes. Yeah, just put your PayPal. So
you got that box? Yeah.
some of them are too deep. Yeah, there's good extra in here too. Without this, no, this I didn't realize. What? Yeah, I didn't look in this box. That's what I'm saying.
Players, that's the right tier.
Yesterday, and I didn't have enough time last night to put it together, so
This is all this whole row here. The Shaq, these whole rows here are Michael Jordan. So I picked out some Shaqs here. We're going to take a look at them. Yeah, this is not what they say they are. I like that. How much did you spend today? About 20 bucks right now.
I'm at 25, so we're neck and neck.
I've behaved today.
That's yeah, George Pickens is one. But look at some of these too.
No, George Pickens. That was not even George Pickens.
What is it? How's it look like?
So I had to search Springfield because Minted just brings up every mint card.
Oh,
so,
gotcha.
So, and I'll let you, by no means.
Oh, that's this one right here?
Yeah, I mean,
okay,
you
cool.
look up yours too if you need to, but that's, looks like the range we're at for that one.
Like $2 to $4.
Yeah.
I got you. So let's just say this. You know, we'll call that like sticker price, right? We'll call that like.
But honestly, on his too,
We'll just call that like $5. We'll call that like $15. We'll call that free. I'll give it to you for like half off, so like $7.
and then on this one too.
Yeah, for sure. I might. Yeah, actually, I think I have the exact change.
Cool.
I know that's a bonus, right?
Hell yeah, bro.
Less work for both of us. All right, there you go.
Hey, I appreciate you. And I'll pull out the sweet Pacer stuff.
Yeah, I'm always looking for it.
Next show, I'll be a lot more.
How you doing? Good, you? Good to see you. Yes, sir. I'll be there tonight. Yep, we're streaming tonight. Yes, sir.
Are these the? I see 3 Halliburton autos in here. Those is that all you got?
I think so.
Okay.
Yeah, this is cheap stuff.
Anything good over here? Yeah, it's all mixed up. The bags, they're doing like $1 per bag. Like they don't want you to sort through it, but it's just $1 per bag. It's leftover stuff from breaks. So, I mean, it's probably not anything amazing, but like I grabbed a Pacers bag.
Yeah, I was gonna say for 3 or
For
4 cards
for a buck, you know, if there's not one numbered card in there, it's worth your trouble.
Those all different. These are all dollars.
$10 lasted $325 and then $353.
Okay.
I saw those. Well, I remember seeing the second one sell because it was the exact card. I was like, holy shit.
Right. What are the odds?
These guys are so hard because they're like they're borderline, you know, liquid. At the same time,
I'm looking at the last raw sale. And this, it's not an 8, it's out of 15. It'll be 330. The out of 15 raw.
I saw that sale. Yeah.
So I think it's worth a little bit more than that, given that it's a lower number out of 8. Even though it's this 8, it's still a top one.
I want to give you like 220. You're fair, but I probably want to be like 220.
My thing is you pass it down on 2 years, you put it on that way. You can throw it yourself too.
The F1s are like
Saturday feels like it's about to get big. It's early and it's already big.
pretty crazy.
What's up, dudes?
Sell everything. I'm
Pizza slice or something? Oh, yeah, 20. Not very good at multitasking.
No, it's okay. I imagine you guys.
You got that box?
What was he asking on that? See, we didn't get there. He's still looking.
I picked one up yesterday.
Here?
Just a miscellaneous one on top.
That's not really fine. Yeah, that's out of fine. Here it is. Where'd you get this stack from?
Those are there's like that in the back.
Stack of stuff. I'm just pricing stuff out for people that are walking around.
Okay, cool. Perfect.
Seen this Godwin jersey? Yeah, no. It's back to that. Spelled funny. 1L. What's up? 16 super. Pretty rare. Super's supposed to be big. Well, they are. 70s and 1700s. Now it's 69. Huh?
Okay, so I spent just 27 bucks today, so not a whole lot, but I have a pretty big stack of cards here, and I really don't know what all is in this stack, so we're going to find out together. But let's start with the stuff that I do know that I have here. So you saw this deal that I did with Wyatt. He had a whole box of Shaq and Jordan, so I picked out some Shaqs. Got the whole thing for $7, which was a crazy deal, so I'm very appreciative of that. This one was basically a throw-in, like I mentioned in the video. It's creased pretty bad, but that'll go in the PC. It's got two nice Lakers swatches in there. These are all game-worn. And so I have a Cavs jersey. That one will probably go in the PC too. I don't think I have a Cavs Shaq. And then I've got these other three here. This one will probably more than cover the cost. I'm guessing that's a $10 card, somewhere in that range. So very happy about that. We'll maybe make a little money on that and keep some cards in the process. These are 5 cards that I dug out of a $1 box. I really only meant to get this Obi Toppin just because I'm going to be seeing the Pacers a couple times here coming up. Otherwise, I don't even normally buy these out of $1 boxes anymore. I can get them cheaper. But so I got that silver Toppin. Anytime I see 90s refractors for $1, I usually grab them. So another one here with Sharif Abdur-Rahim. And then this Jarris Walker, which has got like a blue scope pattern. I don't know. That might be what it's called, blue scope. I'm not sure. But it's numbered 22 out of 249 for $1. I'll grab that. Looks pretty nice. I really like that blue. Thought about trying to get it signed. I'm not sure yet. Maybe if he signs it just in the right part, it'll work, but who knows. Okay, so this stack here, this ended up costing me 15 bucks for this entire stack, and you saw me kind of explain to somebody else that was standing beside me in one of the videos. This is like a braking company of some sort, and these, I guess they're unclaimed brakes or unpaid brakes, and they bagged them up, and they were $1 a bag. So I you can't look at them there, so I pretty much grabbed the Pacers, and then a couple other things that I thought were interesting, so I'm going to open those up here. I also had a few other cards. Apparently I pulled a baseball auto out of there that was worth like 80 bucks, so I didn't get to have that one as part of my stack. I didn't even know what it was. It just had a really cool inscription, so I grabbed it. But I did get this Justin Fields numbered 3 out of 3. It's wild card, but 3 out of 3. Numbered Peyton Pritchard rookie. Jarris Walker that is not numbered. Actually, I bought this one before that one. I probably wouldn't have bought this one. A Keontae George numbered card. Julian Strother autograph. And I don't know UFC at all, but a gold refractor for, well, really less than $1, because like I said, I got this whole stack for 15. Just be cautious there. But yeah, so let's go ahead and see what we got. And this actually works to my advantage because I needed some cheap Pacers stuff because, like I mentioned earlier, I am seeing them a couple times this week, hoping to get some stuff signed. So I'm going to find out, as you are here, if there's anything in here. I do kind of still want the refractor of this card because it was just such a big goof by Topps, because 00 is Matherin's number, so they didn't even put the right number on Halliburton. So it looks like there's probably a lot of Topps Chrome stuff in here. Oh, there's some Select as well. No silvers, but looks like Select rookies. And then some Topps Chrome base. I don't see myself getting any of the Topps Chrome base signed. But you never know. It's nice to have extra stuff because sometimes you do really well with teams or players and you end up with extra stuff. All right, so we got a Halliburton. I don't know what that is from Topps Chrome. Siakam silver, so I'll probably take that. Siakam's a good signer. Not all of these are Pacers bags, though, so who knows what all we're going to find. Okay, so there's a Halliburton negative refractor, I think is what those are called. Some of these are just hideous. A Neesmith base refractor. So I was kind of hoping to find some of those anyway. I'm not going to spend a bunch of money on Topps Chrome. Let's open one here that is not Pacers. All right, I know not everyone here is a Pacers fan. So this one has got an Amin Thompson relic. And yeah, it's non-associated. It doesn't look like it's numbered either, but like that pack was $1. So I don't know. I haven't looked that up. I'm sure that's worth more than that, even with the non-associated stuff in it. And then some Rockets base, which really isn't worth anything. I grabbed this one because it had a bunch of top loaders in it, and she explained to me the top loaders are likely the hits. So like that Leaky Black card is numbered to 149. This Larry Johnson is numbered to 349. Notoriety, Brandon Miller insert. Brandon Miller rookie. Another Leaky Black. Brandon Miller refractor. And James Najee. So that was a pretty good little Hornets pack there. I saw this one, which I was going to grab it anyway. Pacers pack. But it had a Halliburton silver, optic silver in there. So definitely going to grab that. I almost bought this base card there. I'm glad I didn't. So it looks like it was inside of a pack that I did buy here. Nothing special in there. I knew this Durant insert by itself. I don't even know if this is the numbered version or not. The Durant insert by itself would sell for $1, but that's the one numbered to 99 out of Phoenix. So that's very nice. Another Durant. I don't think these blue ones are numbered. I guess Topps numbers all their stuff on the front now for $1. Very happy about that. I grabbed this Nuggets one because it had Prism Deca. And I'm hoping that there are some silvers in the ones that had Prism Deca. This Aaron Gordon, not numbered. I don't know much about the new Phoenix set. Some Jokic inserts in here. Strother, a couple cards stuck together. Some Jokic is in here. Doesn't look like there's any silvers, but here's some Pacers Prism Deca, which I am a fan of Prism Deca. I like Prism Deca. All right, so we got a Paul George Decade of Dominance insert. Doesn't look like we have any silvers in here, but we have a Jarris Walker, Halliburton, Jermaine O'Neal, Siakam, Nembhard. I might still try to get some of those signed. I don't know. I have some decisions that have to be made. Here's a Rockets bag. Ended up with a couple Rockets bags, I guess not on purpose. Once again, hoping for some silvers. I saw some Deca stuff in there. Doesn't look like it. But there's some rookies in there for $1. I'm not mad about that. And then finally, Bucks here. I just saw there was Deca in there. I didn't see a lot of Prism Deca stuff, so I just grabbed whatever I saw. An Andre Jackson Jr. Don't believe this must be all base because it's not sleeved. So, yeah, I mean, overall, I'm pretty happy with that. Like I said, I got that whole stack there for $15. I think those Durants will do all right. And then, of course, this stuff was included with that as well right here. So there you have it. Another fun day at a show. I got to do some digging. I got to find some stuff. Got a few PC cards. Hopefully some cards that will help me at the games I'm at later this week. I hope you enjoyed that. Remember, there are new episodes of the audio podcast that come out every Thursday. And as always, thanks for watching.